Kumkumzeri ka liba. Ako'y mabugyang mong sibane. Kumkumzeri ka liba.
Har.
Kumkumzeri ka liba. Ako'y mabugyang siye. Ako'y sway.
Hay.
Mabuk YouTube ki kenukta lowe aduga su mat channel lebne aisu channel lebne
Okay.
channel
Chagi su channel lay. Moi se mai ke long loi na thoe. Ako'y gi sida pokchar su ichani se. Aduna ako'y kang lipa pung sihan ba. Ako'y gi origin bukaw ya roi da ba isa. Dayang hay ba. Adwan tau tanda.
100,000 subuki.
Mabuki 100,000 subuki ay follower mayam.
Thank you.
Nung siye, yung subscribe to Viva. Subscriber mayam na. Ang tawhali niya ay ijana. Oy ba? Alhamdo ija. Sana. Sana di siye ko minoy ba? Dar kaya tamahan si ka. Kaya pa ka uya di ko. Sana Icha, sana Lisa. Icha, Nuska, I love you. Layang hayu ka, kaya pa ka ugano ka.
Mabuk suna ako'y doctor ako'y hay ne.
Mabuk nga haya, ina tida di doktor se, ang kaya. Doktor tamo hay rin eh, dumahay. Ay na, tatarok subdala.
Come here. Sit there. Yeah. Good.
I love you. Yung nung siya, may nung sibila na. Ay bus may na tahod ba sila ay iki wapun si sem hayale may ang kumzeri ay bu subscribe to Viva ay bu follow to Viva yung nung siya kang lipa ko swag isa krumo kang lipa ta krumo yung nung siya I love you mongoloy ra lai hona bakalu ka adu ka pau ba mi yo ayam hona ka daw niya nga ngoy ngay da mongoloy ra ay isa sa aming sibine maboga na ne mo nga ne ubosida ne ka ubosida ne yung daw na kandiye mo lagpasida yam nung siye I love you kung kami pa ko sa
Hi everyone, asingasi America ki Thanksgiving ne na koi charging the turkey your bake down in honor it's a higher. This is about 20 pound turkey.
Yeah,
Okay,
20-pound turkey, and it's sitting in a brine right now. So marination.
Brine
typically.
kind of.
So it's sitting in like a salt water with ginger, garlic, spices, a little bit of sugar, and black pepper and bay leaves. So the So the reason why we brine is because we want the inside of the turkey, since it's such a large animal, to be moist and well seasoned. So we brine this overnight. You brine 1 hour per 1 pound of turkey.
So overnight, right?
Yes.
Okay, I turn over to tawre.
Yep.
Arigamatang process di.
So next, I'm gonna dry the skin. So quite crispy skin pame. So skin se dry toraga, well season it. Aduga butter, spice mixture, rub to doine.
Okay, I do the bake to ba.
Adu manungda. I'm gonna cut some apples and some carrots and some vegetables. So we're gonna rub the butter and spice mixture all over and under the skin, and then inside the turkey cavity, we're gonna stuff it with apples and onions and like cinnamon and carrots, just so we can make sure that this is moist inside.
Okay.
So these is 2 sticks of butter, and then yes, I melt it, and then I'm putting our Montreal steak seasoning, which has pepper, black pepper, salt, some garlic powder, onion powder, and then I also added my special ingredient. So this seasoning is called berbere, and this is like curry powder, but this is from Ethiopia in Africa, so it's an African spice mix.
Okay.
So kitang murok saba, akoy ga karamane machoga.
Okay,
So I'm also gonna add garlic, minced garlic.
Okay.
What's gonna happen?
Okay. Garlic going on. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. What is the next step, Isra?
So we're gonna wrap the turkey with our little butter spice mixture. It has a lot of garlic in it.
Garlic
So Dada
smash.
will be the victim today.
Okay.
So he's gonna put it manung da.
Soling is going to be the
matak da,
master chef.
And then
right?
Yeah.
Okay.
skin ga meat ki between the suhap doing it.
Now, Kuneta, tao.
Smetoruga.
No, skin
Yeah.
mata kita hantar bungo. You start from here.
Okay.
He knows. He got
No,
it.
no, I don't
Yeah,
actually.
no, you do.
The more you massage
Massage?
it, the better it'll taste.
Nang
Am I
nakur hamam
doing
na
it
tra.
Kame hey.
Okay. Okay. Now you know yare. Massage tao. All over. Okay. Okay. So. Manang ka namung onto ka teriya kan
So
soling.
let's turn it this way, Dada.
Okay.
And then, so you're gonna go from the neck and
Okay.
put the butter inside. Yeah, right there.
From the neck.
Yes, and push that butter inside there.
Okay. See, crispy whenever it's a moist whenever ka gina.
So we
a
want the
little bit of-
flavor to really go into the turkey because you have chow and we also want crispy skin.
Okay. You want the skin, right? Okay. All right. Look at me. Okay.
Wifey, oh.
Nang rap to bolo era boisa.
Yep, so I'm tucking the legs in.
Grill tau dore.
And
Again,
then
natin bake
I'm
tau.
gonna tuck the wings in.
Okay.
Got it. This is very annoying. Get out of the way. Okay, this is how I'm gonna tuck the wings.
Okay. Breast na up the
Yeah.
bake tau dore. Okay. Okay.
And then I'm gonna manung the vegetables per hap doing it. So carrot, apple, onion.
Ado moist whenever isa.
Hmm.
Okay. All right. It's a kind of what is the thing?
So it's preheated to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna bake it for 30 minutes.
Okay, Lala,
So the turkey's coming. I got some helps for some dadas.
500 ta, okay?
We're gonna bake it uncovered for 500, and then I'm gonna cover it for 3 hours and bake it.
Uncover half an hour, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So the turkey's been in there for about 30 minutes.
Okay.
So we're gonna change it to 350, 500 turkey 350,
Okay, make it a normal high.
and then we're gonna leave it in there for 3 hours.
Aluminum di cup draw.
Yep, cook to in the car layer, cook ke.
Okay.
Oh.
Aluminum cup di car draw. Mama hang tu yung
Ay pung kaya mo layer ga cook to in aduga I'm gonna start basting butter do
Okay.
matak da
Isa
hapon.
mama
คุณ
hang
ค่าย
tu.
มาดีทำเมบะอีหันหันบุกิก็
Okay, yang high temperature hang tu yung
high temperature ดาวคุณค่ายมันดีทำบีบะ
as yang ngau ri hey.
ยำหาวยัยยี่จะถวยบีนะตัวเสียจ้าตัวบีนะไก่ไก่ stuffing ไก่กาตัวดอริ
No. Kay siyam doy no nang sina. Stopping lo. Ha.
She has her headphones in.
Kay no ba nang siyam tu siya. So, di kay no isa nang tawag tu siya.
So I'm gonna baste the turkey a little.
Okay.
So you can see color do kar change so re.
Okay.
Kar phaja.
Okay.
So hujiki se kitang kung kaya mo pare moksu so total 1 hour pa do re.
Butter ko tayo iwala.
Spice hujik marinate hapchang kibo do.
Okay.
Kay moist soy na ba. So
Okay.
color se kitang chanjala ni amukhena aduga foil na cover tawdan tawrani. Kada na ba.
Mun na po kaya.
Yep.
Okay.
That's it. Yeah. I might rotate her.
Okay. All right. The turkey is done now. Everything's done. The mashed potato. This one is the stuffing. like celery and sausages, right? Then this one is some kind of croissant, and then this is a pie. This is
Cranberry.
Cranberry sauce. This is Kebula's paneer. This is yongchak singju, right? This is gravy. This one is ngayao daba. Okay. This one is a grilled vegetable, right? Ngayao daba makalani sure.
Yeah, I nga tazararo yun. Thanksgiving da yin white taba matway.
Okay. So everything is ready to eat now.
Yep.
All right. As turkey is the manam diyang sire. All right.
I'm gonna carve the other side of the turkey now. So
Okay.
first, I'm gonna take the white meat. So this is the breast meat. So it took about 3 hours,
Yeah, looks like it's done.
and then it has to reach an internal temperature 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Yes, yeah.
Smells good, is
I always do a good job. I'm a turkey expert.
Looks good. Yeah, sometimes tabak pulle, dry work ni turkey.
Mingo badi turkey siya mahita ko.
Yeah, it's kind of dry sometimes.
Or bland.
Yeah, bland. Yeah, your turkey looks good.
And I'm gonna cut it. It's stuck.
How do mal? Okay.
Yeah, Jeff.
Long to cook it on fire, yeah,
No, cannot. It's stuck right here. Oh.
Okay. Right, look good. Okay. Chanang ready later, but say, kari kaino jang ta haroba.
Turkey are,
Okay.
gravy matakta, cranberry sauce,
Okay.
zucchini and yellow squash roasted, stuffing, sausage java. We have some croissants, and then I made mashed potatoes with gravy.
So this is a typical Thanksgiving plate.
Yep. And then we have some sweet potato pie for later.
Alright, adu di sak chalo ro sa tin tra.
Yep, dessert.
Then akoi gi Manipuri specific like Paknam, then Yongchak Singju, right?
Yep. Thank you.
Adagi nga cha dabagi paneer. Thank you Kang Lipak, everyone. Yam nungai jare, thank you everyone. Okay. Now we are going to have dinner, right?
Yep.
Okay. Thank you.
Do you want white meat?
Mama,
Oh,
thank you very
Or
much.
do you want leg?
thank you Kalipan.
Want a leg?
Alright.
leg?
Ako itsahan na ayam ho na re second ka. Okay. Bye. Time to eat now.